Just kind of showing it off here a little bit. And I use coat hanger to hang the exhaust up in there. Excuse all the coughing. I've had a small cold for quite a while now. Let's see, there's the name. And of course it is welded. Turn some light on here, maybe it'll help. Let's see what's what. Can't even tell what's what here, people. Okay, there's one area where I had to, where it kept breaking at with me, and I had one of my cousins weld it. He done a pretty good job. But other than that, it's doing pretty good. I'm happy with it. Alright, I'll fire it up and let y'all hear how much of a difference it is. So much quieter than it was before. Yeah, when she's cold, she smokes real bad, but after it warms up, it ain't too bad at all. Yeah, right now you can't see that just regular smoke, just from where the exhaust has done got warmed up. I don't know, you might be able to see it a little bit. It's got a real small leak. Oh. Right here. The clamp won't close down on the pipe enough, but maybe I'll get it fixed one of these days. Take care, YouTube.